Okay, so you're trying to texture your mesh here in Blender. In my case, it's a video game project that I'm working on, and I have some example materials laid out here. Okay, let's say that you want to select something, and I'm going to show you my example of this right here. I've actually fell victim to this before in the past, being newer to Blender. Let's just say I don't know, our wall here, right, is messed up and we're wanting to fix it. Well, the thing about Blender is, and someone that's relatively new to Blender, like myself at the time when I was originally messing around with materials and trying to texture things, I would go through and click this and the rest of these and try, basically selecting everything that has to do with that material and try to fix it by selecting all of them and going back through and trying to realign the UVs and such. Well, there's a faster way to actually select all of your materials or all of your mesh using the one material, I should say. So I'm in this material properties manager right here with my materials over there. Let's just say the wall is messed up on this one, but I'm wanting to select it all and make sure everything's uniform. Well, what you could do is you click select right there, and everything using that material is now selected throughout the entire piece here. So, like a second example, I click this, and that's using my grass texture material, and I click select, and there you go. All the grass is selected, etc., right? So in Blender, if you think there is a shortcut for something, there probably is, and I have fell victim to this a couple of times along the way. So hopefully this has helped someone. As you can see, yet again, you can even press deselect. This is also where you assign your materials. But yeah, hopefully this helps somebody out, and I might do some more of these in the future. Who knows?